here's the present. Lily, come here. Come here. Over here. Come around.
What's in there? There's no presents in there.
Alright, fingers away.
Stop it. Stop it.
Lily, stop moving. Sorry. Oh, move.
What's in there?
Is Fluffy's in there?
Presents in there? Where are they from?
The presents are both. Grammy?
Yeah. Can you say thank you, Grammy?
Lily has the scissors.
What's that?
That's the card. You open the card first. Can you open the card?
What's that? See, it's in there.
Oh, Lily.
It's bow.
Those are books, yeah.
Oh, what's that? Cupcakes? Dear Kim On, for a granddaughter who is sweet,
What?
fabulous, cool, caring, terrific,
Do.
and loved lots and lots.
Do.
Happy birthday. Love, hugs, and kisses, Grammy. Ooh. Look at the books you got. What's this? What's this right here? Is that pretty yarn?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. You got a whole library. I don't think you have any of these books. Oh, what's that one? I love you all day long.
But my present.
You're looking at it, kiddo.
Wow.
1, 2,
Bow.
3, 4, 5. So many presents. Oh, wait. Look. That says Lily. So this one's for Lily, the small one, okay? Here you go, Lily.
Lily, the nose book.